Next, I'm going to be focusing on tips in our Gen 2 software. The first tip I like to show for our Gen 2 customers is pathology sets. The idea behind a pathology set, it's where you've got a list of investigations and they all fall under the same name. So for instance, before operation, you might do the same 5 tests. You might be looking for a certain condition, so you do the same 4 or 5 tests. So to add a pathology set in Gen 2, we first go to our add request window. We search for the pathology test that we do, one at a time. So FBC, electrolytes, LFTs, and ESRs. I click Create Set. Now I choose a label. So in this case, I'm going to call it Standard Screen. I hit the tick. So you see, it appears Standard Screen. If you want to, you can remove a set. And this is how you use it in the future, Standard Screen. Then we search for any additional tests in addition to the Standard Screen we wish to use. So I strongly recommend pathology sets because it ensures that when you're doing a request for a patient and it's for a certain condition, that you know you've covered up on all the tests that you need. You can take a photo in Gen 2 using your mobile phone. The advantage of this is the photo does not belong on your phone and it gets uploaded directly into Gen 2. To do this, we open the web browser from our phone and we log into Gen 2. We go to the appointment diary and we choose the patient we wish to take a photo for. We choose Add, then Attachment. Choose File, Take Photo or Video. We take the photo using our camera on our phone, and we choose Use Photo. We can give this a name, so I'm going to rename this to, for instance, be a lesion, but you can use this for whatever you'd like. There's also a drop-down menu for category, and there's different categories you can choose from. So I'm going to choose Procedure because this is to do with a procedure. When I choose Upload, it uploads directly into Gen 2. So the nice thing about taking a photo, it does not belong on your phone, and you can use this for anything you would like. So for instance, I use it there for a procedure, but maybe you're doing some inpatient rounds and you wish to take a photo of the patient's and hospital demographic form. You can do that, and then it gets uploaded directly into Gen 2, allowing admin staff to type in the demographic information of the patient. Now, just like taking a photo from a phone, when you add an attachment into Gen 2, you can change the category, which means the attachment will appear in the relevant tab of the patient's clinical file. So first thing we do, we click the Add menu, we choose Attachment. We click Choose File, and we next choose the files we wish to upload. Here we can rename each file, so this will populate with a different description. So I'm going to do that for the first one. Next, we can change the category, which means it'll appear in the relevant tab of the patient's clinical file. Attachment has a paperclip icon. Consult note will appear alongside typed consultation notes. Diagnostic report will appear alongside electronic pathology and radiology. Correspondence will appear alongside letters in and out, and procedure will appear alongside your typed procedure notes. So in this instance, I'm going to be choosing correspondence. Next, I'm going to rename my second item, and I'm going to click the category drop-down menu, and I'm going to categorize this as a diagnostic report. When I go upload, you will see that that letter appears with a page icon. If I go to my diagnostic report section, you can see the picture appeared alongside a electronic result. If you want to change the category of an existing item, the 3 dots icon, then Edit, means that you get this screen, and from here, I'm going to change this, and/or you can change the file name. I'm going to change the category to Attachment, and you'll see now in the paperclip icon, this is how it appears. All takes me back to everything, and you can see here it's also got a paperclip icon. So I like to call Gen 2 your document management system. So anything you attach into Gen 2, you can recategorize so it appears in the right section for you.